Hello everyone, this is Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender one more time on Hey Bartender. And today, by popular demand, we're switching over to vodka. So this time I choose something very simple, very easy, very fast to make, and this is absolutely delicious. So let's get into it. Okay, so today we're gonna be doing an amazing mint cucumber lime Moscow Mule. So the choice today is going to be the Prairie Organic Vodka. This is one of the nicest ones on the market. It is American, crafted in Minnesota, which is gluten-free, and also from Australia with love, Bundaberg ginger beer, the best thing that you can have in the market. So this is a very simple ingredients. We're going to have some chopped cucumber. We're going to have some mint sprigs. We're going to have some lime wedges and a muddler, and that'll be it. So let's just start very easy with this thing. This is chopped English cucumber, seedless. So this is the best thing that you can get in the market. Have like a little quart of it, chop them up, kind of like in the small little pieces. This is gonna be kind of like enough to make 2 cocktails. So just let's have half of it and half of it for 2 cocktails. Also, we're gonna need 3 leaves of fresh mint with the proper slap for aroma. We're going to use 1.5 ounces of vodka. And we're just going to muddle. Make sure that when you get into the muddling, make enough pressure to break the cucumber and make a twist, releasing all the flavors of the mint and your cucumber. Also, you're gonna add some lime wedges, but instead just squeeze the lime juice in it, I want you to toss everything in it. With the peel, squeeze it obviously, get the juice out, put the peel in it, and then with your muddler, go for a couple light pushes, making sure that you're breaking the oils with your mix. Now, let's get the fun part. Let's put the ice. The reason why I recommend you to get the copper mugs, it is because on the mules, it brings a really good flavor, besides the fact that it keeps your drink super, super cold. So what you wanna do is almost top all the way up with ice. And then, very simple, add your ginger beer. And as the opposite of some other cocktails that you have to do the double strain, what you want to have in this mule is a little bit of chunkiness. You want to have a little pieces of mint, you want to have a little pieces of cucumber in order to have a couple bites while you're drinking it. Now, obviously you need to finish this with a really, really nice garnish with the proper elements of your cocktail, which is going to be a wheel of lime, a wheel of cucumber, and you just decorate it with a spring in the center, which you can do a little slap to get all the oils out. And there you have it, the cucumber mint Moscow Mule. Salud.